Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Dodge Durango Limited all-wheel drive, stock number B9895P. 32,000 miles on this Durango. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, maximum steel metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. This Durango seats 7, leather interior, rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row outboard seats are also heated. Middle seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 2. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. 50/50 split folding rear seat, folds flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. The Durango has an excellent ride due to its fully independent suspension. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, push button start, large, easy to read gauges, with driver information system.
Please try again.
As well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel.
Canceled.
Cruise control, paddle shifters for when the 8-speed automatic transmission is put into manual mode. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power liftgate, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Durango is a 3.6 liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, approximately 40% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.